So hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you one of the best website where you can earn the Flipkart and the PayPal cash friends. So yes friends, this is true, you can earn the free Flipkart gift cards and the PayPal money. So in this video I am going to explain the full details about this video. Don't skip the video, watch the video till the end, and if you have any doubts please do comment down below. So now before going to the video, please just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notifications from our channel. So now let's get into the topic. So I will give you the link in the description, just click on link, so you will go redirect to the website. So there just sign up through my link so that you will get a bonus. So once you sign up, so as you can see here, this is an website, so you can use this website as an app also. There is an app for this website, so I will show you the app also in detail in this video. So actually this app works on the based on the survey friends, so you need to fill all the surveys. So as you can see here, I already got points of 100 SB, so you can get the points. So I will show the first of all I will show the how much redeem we have and all, so full details. So as you can see here, we have the Flipkart mainly and the PayPal. So once you reach the 800 SB, so you can get the 500 worth of 500 rupees gift card, and also if you have 1600 SB, you can get the 1000 rupees of Flipkart gift card. And if you don't want a Flipkart gift card, you can go through the PayPal also friends. So PayPal here you can get it for 2500 SB, so you can get it for $25. You will get a genuine website friends, so you can trust it. So once I will add the payment proof also, so to instant payment proof you can join to our WhatsApp group. I will add the link in the description, so I will be sharing all the proofs in that. So I will add there is an WhatsApp link, so I will give the link in the description, that is called Earn Money. So the group name is Earn Money. So if you are interested, you can join with us, so that I will be sharing the instant loot offer over there, so that you too can earn some money. So and also here there is an SB, so as you can see here, so 105 SB I have. So you can also earn through the referrals, and you can earn through the daily bonus, and also you can daily there are few questions friends, so I already done it. So as you can see here, there is an redeem option, all rewards, Swiggy, swag. So here you will get an option called, as you can see here, rewards. So let us go to the home. So and if you want to do the daily challenges, so as you can see here, so you can do from here. So I already done it, so I don't have any challenges. So if you want to do, you can do it. As you can see here, this is also a survey, you will get 30 SB. So previously I done one survey, so on that survey I got the full point friends, 60 points I got. So in that survey, so I am telling that this is a best. So before going to that, so please do read the full instruction of the survey. So if you want to do the surveys daily through the app, just scroll down. So in this here, so you can conduct the daily polls. So as you can see here, you can participate on the daily polls. So you can give the answers, any answers friends. So I will give the random answers, so you can see it here. So as you can see here, congratulations, you earned 1 SB point. So as you can see here, we can easily earn 1 SB points from here with the website friends. So as you can see here, there are different options also, so you can just go through it. So I will give the link in the description. Don't forget to go through our link, so that you will be getting some of the bonus with that. So and also there is an swag up, so here you can participate in the entries. So as you can see here, I got something offer like 20% extra. So this is depending upon the users. So if you want to use this app in the mobile app, so as you can see here, just click on mobile app. So as you can see here, if you are using the iPhone, you can go through the Apple Store. If you want to use the app in the Android, you can just click on Android, go to the Play Store. So as you can see here, so once you have to sign up with the website, friends. Once you sign up with the website, so you can go through it. So as you can see here, I already using this app, so same points what we are showing there, here we are getting. So you can check the rewards also, same rewards what we are getting in the website we are getting here over here. So you can use the both, no problem with that. So if you have that's all for this video, friends. Don't forget to join to our WhatsApp group Money, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to sign up through our link. So thank you, friends, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below.